What's up everybody, BERTDELASPEED here, back again, and today we're gonna do another Python tutorial. We'll be talking about arrays and we'll be performing operation about positive numbers and negative numbers, okay? So let's start right away. If you remember, we started this in the previous tutorial. If you didn't check it, the link is there. I'll put a link on the screen. You click on it. So we're gonna create a file and we'll name it array pos and neg for negative, okay, not for nigger. All right, so first one, we need to define the array size, okay? So let's say n4, and we'll ask the user the array size, okay? So we'll ask him input, enter the array size, okay? After that, what do we have to do? Okay, after he enters the array, now we can tell him to input the number of elements he has to. So we'd say print input n elements. All right, so that's done, and we'll be doing operation on addition and negate and addition of the positive numbers and negative numbers. So we got to separate positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we'll declare two variables. So we'll say sum pos for positive numbers equals sum neg for negative numbers, and both of them equal 0. Okay, right. We'll also declare the array very simply. That's how you do it. As simple as that. So next, we'll do a loop now for I in range 0 to n. Okay. Now what does this mean? For I, it's gonna start with I. Okay. It's gonna take it this way. Now you use the range to start from 0 to n to the array size to the array size. Okay. It's from 0 to n. All right. Simple as that. Now we'll declare a variable that is going to take the number the user is going to input. So input enter a number. All right, so after that, what do we do? After the users type the number, you got to put it in the array now. All right, so the array name is a. I think I should have named it ARR. Sounds better. Yeah, ARR for array. Okay, so the array is gonna take to put something, to add something in an array. Oh, it's already appearing here. Okay, so you append it. You append. Okay, once you append it, what do you append? You put the variable, because you're taking this number and you're putting it in the array. Okay, so that's done. So the loop's gonna go and it's gonna take all the numbers the user gonna type according to the number of elements is decided to put. What else do we have to do now? We have to separate the numbers according to the sign, if it's positive or negative, and do the addition. So we'll do the same loop again for I in range 0 to n. What do we do now? We'll say if the array element is lesser than 0, what do? We do sum neg plus equals array of I. Oops. Here else we'll do sum pos plus equals array of I. And that's it for this program. It's easy. Print sum of the positive numbers. The sum is what is it? Is it sum? Yeah, it's sum pos. All right. Control D to duplicate. Change this to neg. And here you just double click on this positive to negative. So some of negative numbers. Okay. Put it. It won't look good without these things. So let me just put these. All right. And the last one. There we go. So to run it, just right click, run. All right, enter the array size. Okay, I'll type 5. Input 5 elements. Okay, enter a number. I'll say 1, 2, minus 5, minus 2, and what? 0. All right. So we got what do we have? We get sum of positive numbers is 3, and this is minus 7. Okay, let me check this. Minus 2 and minus 7, minus 5, that's minus 7. Now 0 plus 1 plus 2, that's 3. Yeah, it's correct. We could remove these things so that it appears on the same line. So just run it again. And I'll say 5, 1, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 2. And right, still works. So this is it for this second tutorial. Now you know how to use the arrays, you know how to use a for loop, you know how to input, you know how to print. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace.